Hey guys, welcome to my new channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the green background and use Chroma Key in Filmora 12. So guys, there we have our green background footage. Simply select it, go to AI tools and enable the Chroma Key. That's it guys. Now you can see the green background is removed, but there are some glitches which we can fix from this panel. You can adjust it according to your footage. And that's it guys. Now the green background is removed. So that's how you can remove the green background. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.